Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll explore how our five senses can help us manage anxiety and ground us back into the present moment. Find a comfortable seat on a chair or cushion. If you're sitting on a chair, place your feet flat to the ground. If you're on a cushion, root down through your sitting bones. Sit up tall, gently lengthening your back as though you were being pulled up by a string through the crown of your head. Now turn your attention to your breath. Take a few deep inhales and exhales, arriving fully into this moment. And let your breath settle softly back into its natural rhythm. Notice the rhythmic patterns of your inhales and exhales. Follow your breath as it enters through your nostrils, moves into your throat, down towards your lungs, filling and expanding your rib cage. And follow your breath as your rib cage softly contracts. Feel the air pass through your throat and out through your nostrils again. When we become anxious, our nervous system enters into fight or flight mode, and we lose connection to our physical senses. So we'll move through an exercise now that can be very effective in calming our nerves. Begin by gently opening your eyes and noticing 5 things you can see. Whether you choose to do it out loud or in the silence of your own mind, name those 5 things. For instance, you might say to yourself, white wall, brown shoes, tall tree. Now shift your attention to your sense of touch and name 4 things you can feel. Some examples might be the hard ground beneath your feet, your sweater against your arm, your hair moving in the breeze. Mindfully turn your awareness towards what you can hear. And now name 3 sounds. Perhaps it's the sound of your breath, or people talking in the distance. Allow your attention to shift towards your sense of smell. And name 2 aromas around you. It might be a cup of tea nearby, or the smell of grass if you are outside. And if you can't smell anything in this moment, recall 2 of your favorite smells. And finally, turn to your sense of taste. Notice the taste that is in your mouth. Perhaps it's residue from the last thing you ate or drank, or the freshness from brushing your teeth. It doesn't matter if it's pleasant or unpleasant, subtle or strong, just notice the taste in your mouth. When anxiety hits, it feels almost impossible to be present with the world around us. Panic settles in quickly and we lose our bearings. We get swept away in unhealthy thought patterns and insecurities. The exercise we just did allows our attention to focus back into the present in 2 simple and effective ways. First, we reconnect with our senses. They are tactile and real. The second thing that grounds us is the counting. By naming and counting the things around us, we interrupt the derailing stream of anxious thoughts. This seemingly mundane practice of focusing on 5 things we can see, 4 things we can touch, 3 we can hear, 2 things we can smell, and 1 we can taste brings us right back to this present moment. And the great thing is that this beautiful, simple tool is one you can use whenever you feel anxiety creeping up. You can do it quickly, and there's no need to pull out your cushion or sit in formal meditation, though that can be helpful too. Just know that wherever you find yourself and whatever the situation is, you can rely on your 5 senses to ground yourself back into reality. Now gently return to your breath. Slowly bring your attention back into the room. Notice your body and space. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this session. See you again tomorrow.